Online, can you able to hear me? Yeah. Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all? How did you spend your Sunday? Boring. Seriously, you guys not having any work. You guys not having any responsibilities. Free. Why it would be boring? You guys not enjoy it, boys? Okay. We will wake up afternoon, right? Have lunch. It's evening. We'll sleep. No? Go out, play. Ah, that's good actually. It's better than most. What about you guys? Big Boss, Insta Reels. Seriously, now anyone, anyone spend some time yesterday regarding WWW project? Raise your hand if you did it. Oh my god, spin it out, Pasar. It's more than an average. Remaining people, so you know how we usually how the people will do. When I start CSS, they will start with HTML. When I start JavaScript, they will think about what is CSS. And last day they will come, sir, do we learn JavaScript again? It's already over Java. They will ask me last day. Still the people will be there. Okay, you know, I know the people who just think about what is the exam today in the exam day. People will be there. But we all pass that, okay? Maybe you are a good student in your classroom. Maybe you are a bad student. We all have a pass. But you all came here. You all paid. You all are struggling, right? You all want job. So your future or career or whatever. Okay. Future job, future only, right? No other future, right? So now whatever it is, you are responsible for your futures. Okay. Neither I nor any other persons. Okay, ma? So choose wisely. If max to max to avoid fakes. Okay. That's where most of the freshers go. Don't go for fakes. Be honest. Yeah. If you are honest, it would be good one day. Okay. Don't worry. Now let's start our project. Think in desktop it is there HTML, right? Uh, this is what we did, right? Yes. Okay. Let's discuss this. Sir, what we discussed till now, we'll have a quick recap, sir. Okay. First, what are the things you need to download and install? Everyone should have VS Code, sir. Very good. In the VS Code, everyone should have live server, which is Retweak Day and Prettier. Okay. Very good. And if anyone live server is not working, we will see it today why it will not work. Okay. Now, along with this, Git download Git, not GitHub. People are just go writing GitHub download. No, Git download. In last class, we discussed Git is one software, sir, you will download, which will track your files. Whether you updated the file, whether you are changed, modified or not, whether you make no changes, who made the changes, at what time, everything it will track it. GitHub is not like that. GitHub is one cloud platform where you will just post your code, right? You will store your photos in Insta, files in Google Drive, code in GitHub. That's it. Except that no other things. Okay. Now Git has to be downloaded and in GitHub account has to be created. Account. Right or not? Everyone created account GitHub. Again, I'm reminding you, when you create it, whatever the username you created, it will be lifelong. And then that means until that you use that particular GitHub. Okay. Now, try to avoid using multiple mails. That is also one of the thing I saw it in freshers. So they will just create one mail, they will forget that, and they will again create another one, and they will forget that, and you will give mail to different things. No, don't do that. Keep it one mail. One is your personal mail. Keep it one is for your personal mail, which you can go to any website or you can give it. One you can give it as professional mail. That means for all Naukri, LinkedIn, or for jobs, everywhere you will mention that one. Even in resume, mention that professional one. Okay. Only two things will be enough for you. Always keep these two things. Now, Git download GitHub account. No worries. If anyone not created, create it now. Okay, today. I will show you one more time again what to do and all. Git starting onwards, we will do it. Don't worry. Okay, every day we'll do it actually. Until the course ends, all 45 days, every day I will push my code into GitHub. So every day we do the same thing. If you also do every day, you will remember it. Okay? Now. Okay, sir. These are the things download. That's it. Now, what are the things we learned? We learned what is HTML. We learned some basics like client, server, and all internet, how it works. After that, we learned mainly HTML, sir. In the HTML also, we didn't learn much. We just learned what is tag, what is element, okay, and we understood head tag will be there, body tag will be there, and in HTML tag, you will have head and body. That is what we understood, sir. And we started our basic program, Hello World program, and we discussed H1 to H6. Headings, total how many headings will be there? 6. If I give 7th heading, any error will happen? Very good, it will consider as paragraph. Now, we understood, okay, a mistake. Now, paragraph, what more we discussed? Anchor tag. So, anchor tag will take one attribute which are called href. So, in that href, whatever the link you will give, when you click on it, it will go to that link, right? If I want to open the link in new tab, target blank, not space blank, target blank. And what more we discussed? We discussed image, sir. SRC attribute will be there, where you will give one image, sir. ALT attribute you will give, you will some text, sir. Alternate. And we discussed formatting tags like bold, strong, EM, strike, delete, underline, break, HR. Sir, in this all, break and HR are actually special. Why? They are self-closing tags. Yes, no closing tags. They are self-closing tags. Okay? Everyone clear till now, right? Now, along with this, sir, we also discussed for spaces we use NBSP. Symbols. We discussed symbols, sir. You will put and something you will write. Okay? Symbols if you want to write. And we discussed emojis. Did you remember? Very good. This is what we discussed till now, sir. Now, if online voice is breaking, ma? Why every day online voice is breaking? Is online voice is breaking? Or is it clear? For some it's clear, for some people it's not clear. Okay. And do one thing, online people, whoever it's not clear, sit beside the persons who are clear. Maybe it's my mic problem. Just a minute. I'm sorry. Can you call someone? Let them come. It will be little bit breaking. I will call it. Yeah. So tomorrow or day after tomorrow, classroom will be created, sir. In the classroom, I will mention whatever we discussed till now. Everything notes will be mentioned. Okay. For online one, admin will give you online admin chart. In chart, they will give you classroom. Offline one, down admin will be there. They will give you the classroom. Okay, classroom link. Hmm. Okay, in the meanwhile, sir, again I'm repeating, everyone should complete your first project, which is www project. Exactly it should look like. Okay, clear, ma? Yeah. Now, let me create another file. Hmm. This time, demo.html, or I will name it nicely, list.html. We will discuss anyway next one lists only. Okay. Now, sir, how to start basic HTML, sir? Exclamation and body. Uh-huh. Huh. Why sir? I'll figure out. Online is my voice is clear now? Is the voice is clear now online? Or is it still breaking? It's clear. Okay, for majority it's clear, so I'm going with clear only anyway, always. Okay, now let's start it. I will go with list. I think you all know what is this title, right? Yeah. Let me zoom it. Last ones can see it, ma. Now, uh, specs are there. You know that there is one option called specs. Hey, is it really not visible for you? Widen your eyes, Ray. Or come, friends. Come here. Sit beside me. Yeah. You can't zoom more than this, Ray. You know, magnifying glass. Hey, I'm just kidding. Let me zoom it more. What about now? Fine? Yeah. Yeah. Good. Now, now I can't see the head, Ray. Now, anyway, see. Now, let me click on go live, sir. Nothing is there because I didn't write anything. Go here. Now, first, let me put one heading, H1, which is less. So H1 will give one heading, sir. So simple. Not bad. Okay. Yeah. Now, sir, after image. So before we discuss this, sir, I want to repeat everything which we discussed till now once. Okay. H1 to H6, I will not repeat anyway. Let me write a simple paragraph. Okay. Now, paragraph lorem 10. So, one paragraph came, sir. Right? Now, sir, can I put anchor tag inside the paragraph? One element inside another element is called nested element. What it is called? Very good. And anchor tags are called, anchor is actually inline elements. Did you remember? What is inline element? Yeah, come side. Okay. Now inline elements will allow the next elements per side to them. Okay. Beside them. Block elements will not allow. So let me write it here one inline. This text I will put it inline. Anchor element. Every anchor element will have something href, sir. Let me give it, sir, here. https // www dot google.com. Now, this is what I got, right? When you do www project, you will get it easily. Now, after this, sir, let me put one image also, because these are the major things we discussed. Image. Inside the image, let me keep one image source. Sir, I don't need to put only a URL image. I can put local images also, na? Now dot flash. Then in my folder, any images are there. As Meesho image is there. That one will come. Okay. Now here, I can put the local images also, sir. If I go to my file, Meesho image is coming. Any doubts, ma? Can I adjust the height and width of image? Yes, I can give some height here and some width here. Height 100 and width something 300. So now it will be adjusted. Clear? Okay, very good. Now let's understand something more important, which is called list. In the basics of forms, in the basics of HTML, one topic is called list. Okay, tell me generally where you use lists? What lists you use? Shopping list, majorly, or market list, that is okay. Menu is actually a list, right? Items. Any other? Recipes are menu only, na? Okay. Online, okay, someone are giving links, that is okay. Okay, that's an admin one. You can see it previous classes there, sir. Now see, sir, if I have to write list of students, right, with their roll numbers, right or not, or list of shopping items, there is a major difference between these two. List of students and list of students versus shopping list. You know what is major difference in this both? If I take list of students, order is important, right or not? Roll number wise, their order is important, or at least I have to consider all the girls first or all the boys first. Like I can't segregate. I can't randomly take one and all, right? That is what the ordered list. Now, if you take shopping list means you can take first brinjal you can buy, and then chocolate you can buy, then you can go for snack, then you can come for milk. There is no order. Ultimately, what you will see like whether all are completed or not. Right? Order is not important. Sir, when order is important, it is called as ordered list, sir. What is it called? Ordered list. Sir, if order is not important, unordered list, what is it? For example, list of things to do. You want to do some things and you write a list of things to do. You will be priority. First one, second one, third one. Based on the priority, you will do it. That is okay. That is ordered list. If someone asks you what are the skills you have, then you will say like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or whatever skills you have, you will tell. Those all skills are not in order. You may tell first something which you know recent as first or last as first, right? Are you understanding the differences between the ordered and unordered? In ordered list, priority is important. The order is important. In unordered list, order is not important. Okay. Now, we told you this is how we will do it in the case of Word document. You all know Word document, right? In Word document, if I take a list of items, You will select the list of items. You will right click on it. You will have different options where you can put 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. Like that you can arrange. Or you can arrange with bullet point. Right or not? Did you guys ever did that? Last voice. Are you here? Are you here? Ah, good. अरे लंच हो गया ना every day no people will be there anyway. Now sir lists are actually in HTML lists are three types. Lists are three types. First one, ordered list. Second one, unordered list. What are they? Unordered list. Third one, definition list. I can come unprepared also because there will be some group people who already learned and coming. So that before I tell, they will tell to me. Huh? What? Lucky batch. For me, lucky only. Okay? Good. But who said that? So if someone asks you 2 plus 2, you will say 4. So you will just learn the whole math to do that. No, na? Tables we all 35 and only came now. Right? In childhood, people will say yay. You will write like that. So you just ask teacher, why we call it yay only? No, na? See, 35 is actually the basic of studies. Unnecessarily movies like 3 Idiots make it a big issue. Okay? Because in real life time, there won't be any Americans. Okay? In real life time, what will happen is, some people will remember the things, some people can't. People who don't remember, they will just say like, Arey, I don't batti by Ray, I will just study by concept Ray. Who thinks you can't remember it? Okay? If you can, do it. No, I'm not pointing it out anything. It's good to know the things. But that is not possible. That is not possible in every life scenarios. At one point, you should compromise, right? Yeah. Anyway, let's come to here. How to add an image. We will do it again. Don't worry. Now. Till now, any doubts, ma? No. Let's see what is this unordered list, ordered list here. It is so simple. HTML itself is simple. Now, sir. Now, if you go here. Okay. Last one's okay, ma? Try to adjust. Because if you adjust for 1 week, half of the people will die anyway. Then you can come, friends. Okay? Now, for every dialogue, no need, right? Next time onwards, I will tell. Okay, I will do like this, then you can do it. Alright, seriously. Anyway, now, sir, first one, ordered list, sir. Ordered list will go with a tag called OL. Ordered list. See? Sir, inside the order list, you will have each item of the order list is one list item. What is that? List item. So LI. OL, LI. Inside one order list, you can put as many as you want LIs. Now let me write one LI, sir. Okay, Puri, happy. Now, so next one, chapati. So I'm feeling like I worked in some restaurant now. Idli. Don't bring whole menu, Ray. Okay, some people actually didn't come without eating. They will be hungry. Now, come here. Let's see. Now, sir, see output how it came. Now, did I give 1, 2, 3 there? No. That is what the order list, sir. Order list means by default when you give OL, it will take the order. It will put them in an order one. Okay. So when you give a list of items inside the OL list, Inside the OL list, if you give each list of item, by default, it will make it 1, 2, 3. Sir, why 1, 2, 3 only? Can I give in any another order? Yes, absolutely. Now here, for OL, you can give one attribute called a type. You can give one attribute called type. Let me give type, sir, here. By default, type is 1. Now you have 5 options. 1, capital A, small a. I is means Roman numbers. You know Roman numbers, right? Yeah. And small a, small Roman numbers. Now you guess. If I give capital A, what will happen? A, B, C, D. So simple it is. Anyone can guess it. Now see A, B, C. Clear, ma? Any doubts in it? There is no doubt, absolutely. Now here also. Now if I give small a, B, C, I will give here capital I, which is Roman number, sir. Now I will get the answers also in Roman numbers. Same goes for small Roman numbers, which are total 5 options are there. Sir, if you don't give any option also, by default, it will take the number, sir. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, okay, let me go with 1, 2, 3 only. But let me go 1, 2, 3 only. But I want it to start with 5. Like 5, 6, 7. Oh, that is a good thought. Someone said it like type 5. Let me go here. Type 5. Anything happened? So for that they defined another attribute just to make it clear. Right? Is 1. And there is another attribute called start. Now give start 5. Now that means they are thinking like, okay, I should write 1, 2, 3. And this guy wants to start from 5. So answer will be 5, 6, 7. Any doubts, ma? Clear with ordered list? Yeah. This is called ordered list, sir. Now, let me go here. Let me write it here, one paragraph here, ordered list. Now, after this, I am giving one HR tag, sir, so that I will get a line. See? Okay, ma? Now, let me go here, HR. Now, next one. Okay, ordered lists are over. What about unordered list? UL, very good. Let me write it. Paragraph. Ordered list, OL. Unordered list, UL. Now, let me write it unordered list, sir. Unordered list. UL. Most of the times you will use UL tag only, sir. Okay. In our application, we will mostly go with unordered list only. Okay. Now here, list, li. Now list items. And did you remember I used to do shortcuts? Admit. Did you remember? Did I ever discuss emmets here? No. Sir, if I want to write 3 li tags, okay. Sometimes I will be lazy writing li 3 times. Some people will suggest me like control C, control V. I also will be lazy. Yeah. So what I will do, li asterisk 3. That's it. Are you getting my points? These are called emmets. What they are called? Emmets by default in your VS Code will be there, sir. Some shortcuts. Now I can write it more easily. Now see, if I write UL आता or UL inside UL line. Don't worry, we'll do it slowly, more and more emmets. But I'm just saying it. You can make some shortcuts if you want to repeat it. I'm repeating li here 4. So what will happen? 4 okay. 4 li's will come. Now okay. Online ones I will clarify at the end your doubts. No worries. because I couldn't focus on them. Many are there. Let me see it once. His voice is breaking for online people. For some people it's clear. For some people breaking. Okay, it's breaking, I think. Okay, some people it's clear. Okay, it's always some people will be there which is breaking. Maybe it's your network problem. You can check it on. Okay, now let me repeat it slowly, ma. Unordered list. Let me give 4 items. Give me any of your item. Tell me anything. What we can write it. Now let me write it. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React. Now, if I go here, unordered list, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React came. How they came? All came with something called bullet points, right or not? Right? Sir, by default, you will get bullet points, sir. Same like how the ordered list by default, you will get numbers, na? Similarly, you will get by default bullet points. Sir, can I change them? Yes, you can change them, but not now. In the CSS, you will change it. Not in directly HTML, you can't change it UL. You will change the UL values, that LI, whatever the bullet types are coming, the bullet types you will change it in CSS. While you are styling, you will do that. Okay, ma'am? Now, another question. Sir, can I put one list inside another list? Can I put one list inside another list, ma'am? What it is called then? Nested list. What it is called? Very good. Now I will copy this one, this Puri Chapati one, and I will paste it here inside the first one. Okay. Now I will say here items, and inside this I will write here. Okay. Let me check it here. Now if I go, now see. Can you see it here? All can see it, right? In the output, if you see, by default you got it. Now, sir, this is all actually unordered list, sir. Inside one unordered list, inside one list item, I gave again ordered list. Clear, ma? By default, list item means some space will come. Always. Always list will come with space. If you see here, now see, I write unordered list. List will not come from left end. List by default will have some gap. List by default will have some gap. Any doubts here? Is it clear, ma? Yeah. Now, next one. If you are this much clear, it will complete very soon. Very good. Now, online, let's see. What to do? I didn't understand. Just a minute. Online, someone. HTML award, I didn't understand. Aha. Oh, okay. I'm just thinking why he is asking, whatever it is. Now, sir, actually, how many lists I told? I told you. How many will be there actually? Very good. Now let's go with one more, sir. Now, what is the third one? Definition. Sir, by name itself will tell, sir. Definition lists are used. Definition lists are used to define the definitions. To define the definitions. Did you ever write the definitions? Like when you are in college as teachers, they will give you lectures, they will give notes, no? Definitions, when we will write like this. What you will write, you will write one word For example, if I'm writing a definition for HTML and you will put a side heading and you will underline or something, some people will write it left hand, some people will give some gap, right or not? Same thing your HTML will do, sir. So by default, definition list will need two things. Normally, every list will have only list item, na? But definition will have two things. One is definition term. For what term you are defining. Second, what is the definition data? Okay, definition term and definition definition term and very good. Now let me write it, sir. Here, definition term and definition data. Usually for explaining different events or defining some words, we will use this, sir. Let me write it how to write first. Same like UL and LI, sir. Definition list means DL tag. Definition list means DL tag, which is very easy to guess. Now first, definition term. Definition term means DT. Okay, what term you want to define? I want to define HTML. What does it mean? What is definition data? DD. Let's define let's write it. Hypertext markup language. Okay. Now, one more. This time I will write DT. Now here, CSS. For CSS, I will define, sir. What I will write? Cascading style sheets. However, whatever you want to define, you can write it, sir. Now, next again. This time, JavaScript. Now here, JavaScript. Clear, ma? Everyone clear? Let's see, sir, how it will come. Now, if I go here, let's see definition lists, how they are coming. Are you understanding the difference here? But if you remember it, sir, in your www project, this is what the gap is. Right? At that time, I didn't tell you the list. That's why I used this page. Right or not? Now, whoever did not do the www project, use definition list to complete the project. Okay? Understand, ma? Use definition list to do that. Even today, I will give you one more project. In that also, you will use definition list only. Till now, any doubts? Everyone clear? Let's see one website and let's understand how they must have done. Now, let's go here, sir. And our second project is, type it here, www history. www history. Okay, why I got this? Just a minute. Yeah, here. This is the short history of the web. Second one. This is what I want. A short history of the web. No, not this. No, not this. Just a minute. Why this one came? www history. Info CERN. Sir, this one, sir. No, not this one. Why the main one is not coming? This is first website. It is coming something bigger ones. Okay, not this, obviously. Yeah, this one. Okay, Type it in Google. W3C history. Then you will get it the first this only W3org history. I want this website to do. Now Ray, why this is coming like this, Ray? Just a minute. Yeah, W3C history. Online, I'm giving this link, sir. W3org. Online, I'm giving this link. I want everyone to do this. Yeah. Now, sir, one more time. Now, sir, in this, if you see everyone, sir, by seeing website, you should able to understand how they did it. If you can able to understand how they did it, you can do it very easily. Okay. Now, first thing, this is one image, sir. W3C logo is there now. This is one image. Sir, what if I want the same image, sir? Right click. You know that, right? If you right click, inspect will come. Right click, inspect, and then I will go to that image. And then I got that image. See, if I click on this, I will get this image here and I can download it, or I can directly give this link in my image. If I give this link in my IMG tag, sir, I will get that image, right or not? Right? Okay, you can give the image. Then after this, tell me, how will you put this in little world history? H1 tag. Okay, good. Then after this, C also, can you see they are like kind of tilted? They are sleeping. How they are sleeping? Italic. Italic for italic, which tag we will use? I. EM tag. Oh, I. Don't use I. EM is also for italic emphasis, right? We will go with EM because Google prefers EM. Now next. Sir, inside this, why underline this one? Anchor tag. What it is? Anchor tag. Very good. Now this is also very good. Now again, this ones are strike. Break. Next line it came. Break, sir. Now this is normal paragraph. Now why 1945 bold? How to do that? You can take in a heading tag or you can put strong. Okay. You can take in another H2 or H3 heading tag, sir, or you can put strong. Now again, you gave something. In this, an article. Anchor tag. Atlantic City. Anchor tag. Remaining all normal text. Now same thing, sir. See, for a text, you don't need to worry. You can just copy and paste now. Now, line key. How did you put that line? HR. Very good. HR tag. Nice. Okay. Now interesting, sir. Now tell me. Now after 1989, March and some space came. See, what is that? Definition list. What is that? Definition list. Now next one. See. Now again definition list. Now here in middle, first web page is bold. Stronger. Very good. Now again definition list. Now definition list. Definition list. Leave the chart. Okay. Because this chart is not image here. They must have got it from some other logic. Leave it. Once we learn JavaScript, we can put that. Now, remaining all, you can do it. Exact page. Including the last ones. Can you see? Any doubts, ma? Any doubts here till now? Is everyone clear? Now I want you guys to do this. Sir, while doing it, what if I got some doubts? If you right click on it, you can do inspect or Click on view page source. Click on view page source. If you click on this, sir, whole code will come. See, they did it H1, they take paragraph, said that they put anchor tag, image tag, and they put some text. You can see, if you go down, you can see DL tag, DP tag and all. See, DL, DP, right? Now again, I'm seriously noting on this point. Do it, no problem. Everything is here. If you are not feeling it like thinking creatively, see it and do it. But don't even copy code. Text copy, no problem. Text you have to copy. I don't ask you to type it, time waste. Don't copy the code. Okay? The moment you copy the code, you are like unskilled you will become. Okay? Clear, ma? See, we all are training for software. Software, you people are means actually you are a skilled labor. Whether you are agree or not, even I or everyone in the software, we are skilled laborers. If you lose your skill, the moment you lose your skill, some other will overcome you. Okay? So always you have to keep your skill. Type code. Okay? Clear, ma? Can you all do it by tomorrow? Right? Yeah. Take your time, no worries. I will ask you day after tomorrow, this one. Okay? It is simple only. But tomorrow deadline is www project. Everyone should be completed by tomorrow. Okay, ma? Okay, very good. Now let's go. Let's understand more. Now, sir, one more time. How the definition list works. Now, sir, I will create exactly what is there in this only. Now let's create this one. Okay. I want to create the exact this one only now. How will you create it? Now let's go here. No, don't call it someone. Now first one, 1995, which is bold. Okay. Go here, sir. Paragraph, strong. Strong means bold. 1995. It will come in my code. After this. Now go here, sir. Here, February come and some data came. I will copy this data. Okay. Now, I will go here. Everything is a DL tag, sir. Inside this DL tag, I will write DT and DD. DT and DD. DT and DD. DT, I will write it like February. Okay. Now, after this, spelling is wrong, right? VRU. Wrong? Right. Now DD. Then after this, some text. Simple, na? Now, next, again, what is the next one? March. Now, let me copy. I mean, this the seminar is in Anchor Access. So, you have to remember it like that. Now, let me write it here again. BT is March. And DD, which is copy. In this seminar, where is seminar here? Yes. Seminar is in something anchor tag, sir. Now I have to cut this, paste it here. Clear, ma? Now if I go and see it in my code, I can able to see it here down. Same way how it is there. Right or not? Here it is somewhat zoom, there it is not there. That's it. Clear? So you can able to do that side, right? Yeah. Try to do that. Now, now, sir, DD means data. DT means definition term and DD means definition data. Okay. Now, let's discuss more simple things, sir. Now, sir, while doing it, Now, what if I want to put something like chemistry formulas? Chemistry formulas will come with something called H2O and all. Sir, I want to put something H2O, sir, here. How the H2O will come now? Now, if I write H2O, H2O will come normally as H2O here. See? But I want the 2 to come down. Okay? Then for that, you will use something called sub. What is that? Sub. Sub means subscript. Sub means subscript. Arre. Inside the sub, let's write 2. And then here if you go, see H2O come, right or not? Now same way, sir, whenever you are dealing with some kind of mathematical formulas, you will come something upper one. Okay, H square, A square. That is superscript. Subscript and superscript. Now you will get it, sir, which is very easy. Right or not? Okay. Now, sir, here I want to give address. I want to give address. Now, let's go here. Let me write some address, sir, here. I want to write my address here. Now, how I will write my address? I will write it here, something. What? Someone said something? If any doubts, let me know, ma. Road number. Now, TSG Street. Now, New York, United. Why not India have New York? Good. Now, sir, we just wrote it some address. Now, how this address will come into my page? If I say in single line, this is most interesting factor here. Now, I want them to come exactly same how I wrote it. How do you write it? Break. Sir, you can use break, sir. That is one option. When people wrote some kind of poems, you know that, right? You guys write poems? No boys write poems? That is strange. Okay. Huh? Okay, we'll discuss later anyway. Now, sir, if you are writing poems, you will understand normally poems will be in short line, where line will be there. Okay, you can't write a poem in single line. It's not like a normal text. Or addresses can't be in single lines. If I check it in the project which I gave, at the end of the project, here I have one address. See, this is not singular tag. Now I wanted something like that. I don't want to put break on every line. Now in that case, sir, you have something called pre-tag. What is that? Pre-tag. Sir, pre means pre-formatted text. Sir, however you gave it, it will come exact spaces. How much spaces you give? See, before this road I gave this many spaces now. Same spaces it will come on the UI also. Let me go here and let's go to my project. See here. With that much spaces it came. Can you see, ma? So normally your HTML browser will ignore the spaces. Okay. If you give it in pre-tag, however you gave it exactly it will come, including line breaks and all. See? Now here if I write it like this, now if I go to my UI, see that? Pre means the pre-formatted text, which is exactly how you gave it will come onto the screen. Okay, including the spaces, line breaks and all. You don't need to put BR. If you put it line break, automatically there also line break will come. Any doubts, ma? Is it clear till now? Everyone clear? Now let's discuss some more. Now, Now, sir, let's now see one more thing. Now here anchor tag is there. Now see, this image is there, right? Let's put this image. Why? Because here in this project, if you see, when I'm clicking on this image, it is loading. How can you make image load? Anyone, any guess? How can you make image load? Normally, what will load? Normally, which tag will load? What will load? Anchor tag. We know only anchor tag will load, sir, in the whole HTML. So what you do, you will put this image in the anchor tag. If I want button to load somewhere, it will not load. I put the inside anchor. If I want a list item to load, list item won't load. I will put a list item inside an anchor tag or an anchor tag inside a list item. That's it. That's how it works. Now let me do this here. Now here I will keep one anchor tag, sir. Inside the anchor tag, I will put one image tag. And inside this image tag, I am just giving this image link. Okay. Now alt, some alternative or something text. Now it will lead to https www.amazon.in. Now go here, sir. Now in my project, if I go down, image came. See exactly how it is there in their project, right or not? Now if I click on this, it is clickable. See, how do you know it is clickable or not before clicking? Because if you go on, the cursor will change. Till now cursor is arrow. When I go on them, it will become hand. Right? Now here, I will click on it, sir. It is opening Amazon. People will think that you write something, clickable images. No, there are no clickable images in the HTML. There are no clickable buttons in the HTML. Only clickable one is anchor tag. You will put this anchor tag inside everything or element inside anchor tag. You can't put anchor tag inside image. Why? Because image don't have close tag. So that's why I put image inside an anchor tag. Right or not? It makes sense now? Now, same thing, sir. What if I want it in a new tag? Target blank for anchor tag. Good. Very good. Now, next one. Okay. I hope till now lists are clear, right? Now let's move into somewhat more forward. Now, let's discuss something called tables. Tables.html. What are they? Tables.html, which is more easy than the list. Okay. Now let's write it. Exclamation. Enter. Now here let's write. I don't want this metas and all. Now here in the document, sir, let's put an heading tables. Okay. Now, very good. Now, sir, list goes with other list will go with UL tag. Another list will go with UL tag. Order list will go with OL tag. A definition list go with DL tag. Tables goes with table tag. Simple. Now let's write table. Automatically, you will get table, sir. Right? Now tell me, sir. In websites, where we can use tables? Data. Sir, wherever the data is defined, sir, their tables only will be used now. Number of orders you did. Okay, your order data, your some data. For example, boys will be familiar with this. There is one website named ClickBuzz. Right? Usually cricket scores and all we will see now. If you go to a player, it will show all the players' data in a tabular format. Right or not? In a tabular format, they will show that how many matches they made, everything, score and all. If I want some particular data in a sequence way, then people will put it in table only. If I want more visual, I will use some other chart. But table is the easiest chart you can assume, right? So now I want some table data. Let me write it some tabular format. Reports, that is one of the nice use. Now, sir, tables, how they will be? Let me give you some simple thing, which most people already know this, but just for my sake. Sir, if I'm going with the table, sir, in table, the horizontal ones are called rows, sir. Okay? And these are columns. Right or not? And at the same time, sir, in table, each one we will call it as one cell. What is that? This is table cell. Right or not? 1, 2, 3, like that. Some cells may be big, some cells may be small. No worries. And every table will have something called heading, sir. Right? Serial number, name, age, something will be there. Right or not? Yes, sir. Now, remember these things. Okay? Now, let's start it, sir. Inside the table, table rows will be there. Inside the table, what they are there? Table rows. How many rows you want to define them first? Now, I want table row, TR. Table row means TR. Now, again, let's write TR. Again, let's write TR. Again, let's write TR. You can write like this or you can use my shortcut, which is TR asterisk 4. So 3 or 4. Okay, ma? Now, total how many rows are there now? 4. Remember that. Now, in TR1, in the first table, see, till now you can't see anything. In my code, see, you can't see table, you can't see table rows. Because nothing is defined. Till now, nothing is there. Now, inside this table row, I will just write it like TR. Inside the TR, you can put either TD or TH. You can put TD or TH. You can put TD, sir, or TH, sir. TH means table head. TH means table head. TD means table data. TD means table data. Now let me put TH, sir. TH 3. 3 headings. So, serial number, name, and age. See, if you see it here, okay, this is another page now. Now let me stop it. Let me run the table page. Now see, sir, I got serial number, name, age. Sir, did I tell it each one is one column? No. By default, when I said table, when I created one table row, inside the table row, how many TDs are there or how many TH are there? Based on that, it will create. Then what is difference between TD and TH, sir? TD is table data. It will come normal one only. TH will come with like heading. That means bold it will come. TH will come as a heading because it is bold. And TD is normal data. Okay. TH table head. TD table data. Now let's go, sir, again. Second row, I will give details. This time, 3 TDs. TD3. TD3. Now, again, truly, sir, let's understand slowly first. Till now, everyone clear? Table row, I gave 3 headings, right? Now, let's give data, sir. Now, first, roll number 1. Let's take John. Let me give some funny names. Huh? Now, so roll number 1, someone, and then TD, age, 25. Now, if I go here, see, first thing, sir, interesting factor. My second column automatically expanded based on the data. Right. Based on the maximum data, my second column automatically expands. And because of TD or TH I gave, number of columns were executed. Right? Now, sir, TH how many I give? 3. TD how many I give? That's why it come nicely. Now, what if, sir, you gave 4 THs? Okay, let me give another TH. Salary. And I'm not giving any TD here. Now go here. Nothing. Data will not be there. Okay? Now, if I go here, sir, I'm not giving age. I forgot age. I give salary only directly. But still, it will consider it as age only. Why? Because it is the third one. It is the third one. Now, I want third one to be empty. Fourth one to have some value. Then I will give some empty value. I will give some empty value. See, sir. Any doubts, ma? Any doubt? No. Is it clear till now? Now, let me do it more. Now, again, sir, let's write it. Now here, another row. Inside another row, let's write it again. 4 TDs, which is TD4. And row number 2. Now here, John Doe. Now here, 86. Salary. You can write however you like it. Now let's go, sir. Any doubts? Is it clear, ma? Everyone, is it clear? Table no doubt now? Slowly we'll get, don't worry. There is still time to get doubts. Now, sir, one more thing. TD, asterisk 4, let's fill more data. Now, rule number 3, something, DK Bose. I'm not reversing it, okay? I know that. Now, see. Now, second one, 12, and whatever, I'm just giving some random data, right? Still have any doubts, ma? Is it clear, everyone? Everyone clear, right? Now, second one got more space because second one element is having more space. When you are giving it the value, if the value, any one of the value is more, automatically the column will increase its width. Okay? Now, this is how basic tables work, sir. This is how basic tables work. I will give some simple CSS, sir. Don't worry about CSS. I am giving some simple CSS. You will understand it later in CSS. Just to show you something nice. Okay. So I will give it in style, table, TR, TH, TH, TD, border, 2 pixels, solid block. Don't worry about this line. I'm just giving some CSS just to make the table look pretty. That's it. Okay. If I go to my table now, it will look like this. Okay. हाँ हो गया. Very good. It is not much right? It is a normal table. Just to at least, because it's a custom from childhood onwards. When we do table, we will put marks, right or not? Now, sir. Now here. Not much influence. Now, next one. Sir, this table data you will not give to backup or anything. Table data usually how it will be, backend people will give you data, and whatever the data you have, you will just print it in table. From table, you will not give this data to anywhere. Just to showcase on the UI. Okay. Now, sir, if I go with some kind of tables like a type table, Now, whenever you start to do something timetables, what will happen? You have to mix the columns, right or not? To mix the columns, how do you do that, sir? Now, in case here now Saddam Hussein, he is not having it. I want to merge the both. I want to merge the two columns into one column. Sir, to combine two columns into one column, you will have something called call span. What is that? Let's go here and let me write where this Saddam Hussein guy. Here, I will just remove it and I will write it. Only three columns are there. Now, if only three columns are there, automatically fourth column will become third column. Okay. Now I want it to combine. I don't want that. I will say here call span. What is that? Call span. How many columns you want to span? That means add two. And one column spanning means that column only. Okay. Now basic minimum two will be there. Now if I go here, sir, can you see this? Did you understand why I used that? Is it clear? Now let me make it. Now salary one. For second guy, I'm removing the salary. And T2, for the first guy, I'm making row span 2. Now go here, sir. Two rows were combined. Is it clear till now, ma? Again, this one very, very important. Column span and row span, sir. So call span means two columns will be combined. Two or three, how many columns you wanted, they can be combined, sir. Row span means how many number you gave, that many rows will be combined, sir. Okay? And will be treated as one row only. Clear, ma? Clear? Yeah. Now, let's build this one. Let's go timetable. Timetable school. Now, not now. Now, some school timetable, let's take it. Yeah. This one is direct one. No, I don't want this. This one is also direct. Why these ones are pretty direct one? My school timetable used to be not like this. Huh? At least. This one is good. This is how my school timetable used to look like. Now see? This one is good now? Now I wanted to do this in my HTML. This is what I'm going to create now. Clear, ma? Now, before creating it, just for our understanding, sir, timetable is heading, sir. Timetable is heading. And in the table, how many TR I have to take? How many TR I have to take? 8. I put total all are mad. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. TR, how many TR? 7. Monday to Saturday, 7 only. Monday to Saturday is 6. And day period 1, that one, total 6, 7. Why? Who told 8 and 9? Seriously. Now each TR, how many TDs are there? 9. That is sure, na? Now now this one you have to focus on, Ray. Now let me comment this all. Now let's define something called H1 timetable. Sir, if you see something, you have to do it exactly like that. Okay. Now, if you do this one, if you do one timetable like that, obviously you will do table easily, right? Now, let's create it, sir. Table. Let me create it here only. Table, first table tag. Now, inside this table, how many TRs are there? 7. Very good. Now, first TR. inside the TR, all are only. So, all are TH only. TH 9. Sir, I'm just going it like this. TH 9. Now, in first TH, what is there? DR period. Okay. DR period. Period. Now, I'm not going with time and all. I'm just writing 1, 2, 3. That one is enough. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, sir. You are learning now. Very good. Now this one is not having 4. Fourth one is not 4 actually. Fifth one is 4. Fourth one I am just giving it lunch as lunch only. Small modifications I am just changing it. 4. Very good. Except T, when it is come to TH and all, you will not feel anything. When it comes to 1, 2, 3, 4, you all will shout. Now anyway, now if I go to my HTML, sir. Okay, very good. Not bad. Now, remaining rows should come now. Go here. This one is over. Whenever something is over, just close them like this. So that big code will look something simple. Else I will get confused with the code only. Now, next one. Sir, this one is very important. Think about it. Now here, Monday is bold. Remaining all are not bold. Right? Remaining 1, 2, 3. How many I need? First Monday 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here 6 only. 6 is 7 only. Only 7 periods are there. Right or not? Now see, sir. Go here. 7 periods. In that 7 period, first one is TH. So only 6 tables. Are you getting my point? If you are still not understanding, go to LKG. This is very simple. Monday, online, if you are not understanding, let me know, ma. How to put everything in comment, that is different case. We will do it, don't worry. Now here, English, maths, chemistry, lab physics. English, maths, why chemistry? You guys should happy, right? This is like you should be happy to have chemistry and all. Lunch. Now, sir, whenever I'm having this lunch, I should understand this lunch is not directly one column. This is actually combining all rows, right or not? How many rows I have? How many it is? So now it will be row span. Row span of remaining 6 are there. Very good. Now lunch. Okay. Now here lab. This lab is actually 3 column span. And then last one physics. Very good. Now if I go to my code. Okay. Now actually when I define all the things, automatically this lunch will, expand automatically. Any doubts, ma? No. No, very simple. Now, what is the next one quickly? Now this time lab 5 only. 6. This is also 6. Now TR. Now here this time Tuesday. First one lab. And this lab is only covering first 3 periods. Right? So column span of 3. 3. And then I'm not having this. See, this lunch I should not consider only. Next step onwards for second row, third row, fourth row, I should not cover lunch. Why? Because lunch column is first column one only will get dragged. So second time onwards, Tuesday, lab, English, chemistry, math, sports. Only six are there. So now English, chemistry, math, sports are there. Are you clear, ma? Chemistry. Now, now here, maths. Sports. Sports period is actually official mathematics. You guys don't know that. Now, next one. Now, if I go and check it on my thing, yes, it is working nicely. It is working as usual. Right? Now, if I go with the third one, fourth one, fifth one, same way, sir. You have any doubts, sir, how to make this remaining one? No, right? Now, see, people will always get confused. TH means they will take it only first step. No, see, here for every row I took TH1, TH. TH usually will take whenever you want it bold in the table, sir. Okay, ma? Now, if you know after we get CSS, we can make it more and more beautiful, these tables. Okay? Now, I can adjust the minimum lunch and I can make it vertical, all these things. Okay, ma? Now, here, only one thing I will add. Table, and here you will have something called caption. Sir, if you add a caption, sir, a table have a unique property called caption. What is that? Caption. Sir, if you add a caption to table, automatically that caption will come to the table center. Okay, that means it describes what is the table is for. Clearly, ma? Any doubt? Till now, any doubt? No, right? So you have to create the new project which I gave and also check how to do list and how to do table. Tomorrow we'll discuss more and more important things. Okay? And tomorrow we'll do resume project. Okay? Yeah. Huh? Lunch is in vertical because lunch width is small. Okay? Now you can adjust it in CSS. Once you come to CSS, you can make it vertical. Yeah. Now, sir, once the class gets started, okay, then I will provide all the notes till now, whatever we discussed, sir. Okay, ma'am? Now, anyone have any doubts? Now, last but not least, don't leave, don't leave. Hello, everyone. 5 minutes. Gift is there. Every day will be there. Okay. Now see this, and then you can leave it before leave. First, sir, to go to the gate, go to terminal. Everyone, go to terminal. And now, what is the first command, sir? Get in it. Now, sir, after that, get at dot. Now, after this, sir, go commit. I am giving one message, sir. You can write anything. Now, after giving this message, sir, now you have to add the Git repository link, right or not? Now, what is my Git repository link? You will go here. You can check it here. GitHub in your GitHub, sir. Now, my repository link, see HTML 2PM. I told you in this code will be there. Everyone can note down this mark. In my code, HTML 2PM, here only everyday code will be there. Okay? Online, I'm giving that link in the chat. Now, see, sir, After giving this, what do you have to do? Git remote add origin. You can copy it also and then link. For me, it is saying it because it already have that origin. Now next, git push u origin main. Now whole your code will be pushed, sir. Whole your code will be pushed. Any doubts, ma? Now go to my code. Go to my code. See this code. Now in this code, everything is pushed. 1 minute ago, tables and www project. Right or not? Sir, how to create a live link, sir? How to create live link? This is very important. After you push your code, this is very, very important. Go to settings. Go to settings. Now go to pages. Go to pages. Now here, see, till now I don't have live link, sir. Now click on this none and here it will show your brand. Mine is made for you, master it will be. Okay. Click on this, save. What is that, sir? Settings, pages, and then brand. Save. Settings, pages, brand, save. Sir, if you do this, two things were very important. First one, you should do this inside the repository only. See? And second one, you should have index.html, sir, in your code. See, my index.html is there now. Only index.html only will come live, sir. Your whole website means actually, understand, website means a collection of web pages. You will not get all website one time loaded. That's what people think. No, only one page will be loaded, main home page. In that, if you click on it, you will go to another page. Okay. So for me, GitHub will give you link. It will give me directly one link, which is for index.html. In my index.html, what is there? If I see in my index.html, see something, some kind of strong my tag. This is there now, and this one will come. Hello, hello, hello. See, can you see it? H1, H2, H3. This one will come right now. Let me go. Where did I go? Settings, pages. Now here, see, link came. It will take 2 minutes to create the server, and then if you come, automatically it will come. If I click on this link, I will get the live link. Now, if anyone if anyone click this link anywhere, they will get this my code. Okay, clear, ma? Like this, you can create your own websites. Okay, if anyone click this link, and I will get my site. Okay, clear, ma? So like that, you do whatever you do, create a link. So tomorrow I will ask whether you did or not. You will give me your link so that I can see. Okay, ma? Yeah, that's it. Now you can leave if you don't have any doubts. How to create a GitHub account, Chandu? It's not a big deal, Chandu. Just you can do it like how you can do normal social media accounts. Hilaj, so Hilaj gave me something, right? Can you give me one more time, Hilaj? Yeah. Vijay, style is not necessary. Style, I just explained it. I just used it. You can take my style. Seriously? Who created this? Hilaj. Oh, you took my GitHub profile. This is nice. This one is so good, Hilaj. It will be helpful for everyone. Let me write it. Only thing is remove my photo. I'm seriously saying it, remove my photo. Put your photo, that would be good. Yeah, but sessions, you gave it everything nice. Yeah, thank you. Session 1. Oh, it is low. Any other doubts, ma? Huh? Live server. It is not working in VS Code. What is the error it is having it? Port? It is showing it. It is started in port 5500. Then open directly Chrome. What happens is, in some systems, live server is not automatically opening. After? Can you bring it so that I can bring it up? GitHub link. GitHub link. GitHub link. Definitely your display. This is GitHub. ఇప్పుడు స్ట్రాంగ్ అని పెట్టామనుకో అవి బోల్డ్ అవుతాయి. ఐ అని పెడితే ఇటాలిక్ అవుతాయి. విఎం అని పెట్టినా ఇటాలిక్ అవుతాయి. ఇటాలిక్ అంటే స్లాంట్ గా పడుకుంటాయి. ఏదైనా వాడచ్చు. కాకపోతే మనం గూగుల్ ఎస్ఈఓ పర్పస్ లో ఈ రెండు ప్రిఫర్ చేస్తాయి. అందుకని మనం ఇవే వాడతాం. స్ట్రైక్ అంటే ఇలా స్ట్రైక్ చేస్తాయి, కొట్టేస్తాయి. సేమ్ డిలీట్ కూడా అదే చేస్తాయి. డిలీట్ ఎక్కువ వాడతాం. యూ అంటే అండర్లైన్ చేస్తాయి. సార్ లైవ్ సర్వర్ ఆటోమేటిక్ గా లోడ్ అవుతుంది. ప్రతిసారి గోలే నొక్కాల్సి చూడాలనుకున్నా గోలే నొక్కాల్సి లేదు. ఇక్కడ ఆటో సేవ్ అని ఉంటుంది ఫైల్ లోపల. ఆటో సేవ్ అని ఉంటుంది ఆప్షన్. ఆటో సేవ్ ఎనేబుల్ చేయి. ఇఫ్ యూ ఎనేబుల్డ్ ఆటో సేవ్ ఆటోమేటికలీ ఇట్ విల్ వర్క్. యూ డోంట్ నీడ్ టు క్లిక్ ఆన్ గో లైవ్ ఎవ్రీ టైం. ఇచ్చాడు మీరు సార్ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ లేదు దేంట్లో సార్ auto file. Inside the file you can click on that, it will come. Saturday class Saturday class Saturday class link కావాలి. Saturday link కావాలా? కింద గమనిస్తారు. చెప్పండి. టార్గెట్ ఒకసారి చూడొచ్చు. ఇప్పుడు ఏదైనా ఒక లింక్ ఉంది అనుకో, యాంకర్ ట్యాగ్ ఇప్పుడు ఒక యాంకర్ ట్యాగ్ ఉంది ఇక్కడ కోడ్ లోపల యాంకర్ ట్యాగ్ ఉంది. నేను దీన్ని ఓపెన్ చేశాను అనుకో, ఎలా ఓపెన్ అయింది? చూడు ఇక్కడ ఎనీథింగ్ అని ఓపెన్ అయింది కదా. ఎనీథింగ్ అని కొట్టినప్పుడు జనరల్ గా ఏంటంటే ఆ పేజీలోనే ఓపెన్ అవుతుంది. కానీ నేను టార్గెట్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు అండర్ స్కోర్ బ్లాంక్ అని పెట్టాను అనుకో, దాని మీద కొట్టంగానే అక్కడ ఉన్న లింక్ కొత్త పేజ్ లో అవుతుంది. అక్కడ ఉన్న కొత్త పేజ్ నీకు ఓపెన్ అవుతాం. టార్గెట్ అండర్ స్కోర్ బ్లాంక్ అని పెట్టాను. నా బ్లాంక్ అని కాకుండా కొటేషన్ మార్క్ పెట్టి చూడు ఒకసారి. ఏ వెబ్సైట్ ఇప్పుడు గూగుల్లో ఇమేజెస్ అని కొట్టావు కదా, ఇక్కడ ఇమేజ్ కావాలనుకో, ఇక్కడికి వెళ్ళి రైట్ క్లిక్ కొడితే ఇక్కడ సేవ్ ఇమేజెస్ అని అలా కావాలా? అలా కావాలంటే ఇప్పుడు ఈ వెబ్సైట్కి వెళ్ళి ఇన్స్పెక్ట్ కొట్టాను. ఇన్స్పెక్ట్ కొట్టాక ఈ ఇమేజ్ సెలెక్ట్ చేయి. ఇక్కడ యారో మార్క్ యారో మార్క్ తో ఆ ఇమేజ్ సెలెక్ట్ చేశాను. సెలెక్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు వాడు కూడా ఐఎంజీ ట్యాగే వాడతాడు. ఎవడైనా అదే వాడతాడు. ఇక్కడ ఐఎంజీ ట్యాగ్ లో సోర్స్ లో వాడతారు కదా, మరి ఏదైనా సోర్స్ లోనే పెట్టాలి కదా, మనమైనా అలాగే పెడతాం. సో అందుకని సోర్స్కి వెళ్ళాను. వెళ్తే ఇక్కడ నాకు లింక్ వచ్చి కరెంట్ సోర్స్ అని, ఆ లింక్ మీద క్లిక్ చేశా. అప్పుడు నాకు వస్తుంది ఇమేజ్. తర్వాత ఈ లింక్ నేను పెట్టుకుంటాను. నెట్ఫ్లిక్స్ కి వెళ్ళావు అనుకో, చూడు ఇప్పుడు నెట్ఫ్లిక్స్ యూట్యూబ్ ఏదో ఒకటి అనుకుందాం. నాకు ఇమేజ్ కావాలి. నేను నెట్ఫ్లిక్స్ లో నాకు ఒక ఇమేజ్ కావాలి. ఇగో ఈ ఇమేజ్ కావాలి, యూనికాన్ అకాడమీ. రైట్ క్లిక్ కొట్టా. రైట్ క్లిక్ కొడితే ఇన్స్పెక్ట్ వచ్చింది. ఈ యారో మార్క్ తో ఈ ఎలిమెంట్ సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తా ఇమేజ్. అప్పుడు చూడడానికి ఈ ఇమేజ్ వచ్చింది. ఈ ఇమేజ్ లో ఎస్ఆర్సి ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో అదే కదా లింక్. సో ఎస్ఆర్సి సోర్స్ క్లిక్ చేస్తా, నాకు ఇమేజ్ వస్తుంది. ఈ లింక్ నేను వాడతాను. ఏముంది అక్కడ నీకు కనపడింది. ఎప్పుడు నువ్వు ఏదైనా వెబ్సైట్ నీకు ఇమేజ్ లో మర్చిపోయావు అనుకో, HTML నువ్వు గుర్తుపెట్టుకోకర్లా. సరే నేను ఇమేజ్ రాయడం మర్చిపోయాను ఎలా కావాలని ఏదో ఒక వెబ్సైట్ కి వాళ్ళు ఇమేజ్ పెట్టుంటారు కదా, ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్ కూడా వాళ్ళు ఎలా పెట్టారు, ఐఎంజీ ట్యాగ్. ఐఎంజీ ట్యాగ్ పెట్టాలి. వాళ్ళు ఎక్కడ పెట్టారు లింక్, ఎస్ఆర్సీ. ఓకే మనం ఎస్ఆర్సీ లో పెట్టాలి, మనకు అర్థమైపోతుంది. మనం గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవడం ఎందుకు, ఆల్రెడీ వెబ్సైట్ తయారు చేసి ఉన్నాయి. లిస్ట్ లో లింక్ పెట్టడం ఒక లిస్ట్ లోపల ఇంకో లిస్ట్ డైరెక్ట్ గా రాయడమే. సో ఏదైనా ఒక లిస్ట్ ఉంది, ఈ లిస్ట్ ఉంది, జూమ్ అవుట్ చేస్తా. ఇక్కడ లిస్ట్ ఇదిగో ఇది ఉంది. ఇందులో ఒక లిస్ట్ లో రాశాను. ఈ లిస్ట్ లోపల ఒక లిస్ట్ పెట్టా, ఎల్ఐ ట్యాగ్. లిస్ట్ లోపల ఒక ఎల్ఐ ట్యాగ్ వస్తుంది. ఆ ఎల్ఐ ట్యాగ్ లోపల మళ్ళీ ఓఎల్ ట్యాగ్ పెట్టా. ఓఎల్ పెట్టి ఓఎల్ అయినా ఎల్ఐ అయినా, ఎల్ఐ లోపల ఎల్ఐ పెట్టుకోవచ్చు, ఓఎల్ లోపల ఓఎల్ పెట్టుకోవచ్చు, ఎల్ఐ లోపల ఓఎల్ పెట్టుకోవచ్చు, ఎలాగైనా పెట్టుకోవచ్చు. అని నెస్టెడ్ అంటారు, ఒక దాని లోపల ఇంకోటి. లారెమ్ కి మీకు స్పేస్ ఇవ్వమాట వస్తుంది. ఇప్పుడు చూడు నాకు కూడా రాదు. చూడు ఇప్పుడు లారెమ్ స్పేస్ 30 పెడితే ఏం రాదు. లారెమ్ తర్వాత స్పేస్ ఇవ్వద్దు. ఇప్పుడు వస్తుంది ఎంటర్, డైరెక్ట్ గా ఎంటర్ కొట్టాలి. నువ్వు స్పేస్ రాదు, మళ్ళీ ఎంటర్ కొట్టేయాలి వెంటనే. ఎంటర్ ఏంటంటే నీకు ఒక్కొక్కసారి ఆ పర్టికులర్ రిపాజిటరీకి పుష్ చేసుకోవడానికి తీసుకోవట్లేదంట. నువ్వు ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తావంటే ఇదిగో ఇక్కడ ఈ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఉంది కదా, ఇది ఉంది కదా, ఇక్కడికి వెళ్తాం. ఇక్కడికి వెళ్ళాక సెట్టింగ్స్ నాకు ఆన్ అని ఉంది. నీకు అది ఉండదు, ఎందుకంటే అకౌంట్ ఇంకా నువ్వు యాక్టివేట్ అవ్వాలా. అప్పుడు నువ్వు ఇక్కడ ఆన్ అని కొట్టవు. కొట్టగానే ఏమవుతుందంటే ఇలా వస్తుంది, ఇలా వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ నాకేంటి ఆల్రెడీ ఆన్ అయిపోయింది. నీకేమని వస్తుంది అంటే ఇక్కడ సైన్ ఇన్ బటన్ వస్తుంది. సైన్ ఇన్ క్లిక్ చేయగానే గిటాప్ సైన్ ఇన్ అవుతావు, మైక్రోసాఫ్ట్ సైన్ ఇన్ అవుతావా అడుగుతుంది. నేను గిటాప్ అని కొట్టినప్పుడు నీకు బ్రౌజర్ ఓపెన్ అయ్యింది. బ్రౌజర్ ఓపెన్ చేసి అందులో గిటాప్ ఓపెన్ చేయమంట. నువ్వు యూజర్ ఐడి పాస్వర్డ్ ఇస్తావు, అందులో లాగిన్ అవుతుంది. ఎందుకంటే ఇప్పుడు నీ విఎస్ కోడ్ నీ గిటాప్ లో పుష్ చేయాలి. పుష్ చేయాలంటే ఎలాగా, అది కూడా బ్రౌజర్ ఓపెన్ చేసి నీ అకౌంట్ డీటెయిల్స్ కొట్టి పుష్ చేస్తుంది. అది అలాగే చేస్తుంది. కానీ అలా చేయడానికి దానికి అకౌంట్ డీటెయిల్స్ తెలియదు. నువ్వు ఇవ్వాలి, నువ్వు లాగిన్ అయ్యి ఒకసారి దానికి ఆథరైజేషన్ ఇచ్చావు అనుకో, నెక్స్ట్ టైం నుంచి పుష్ కొట్టగానే అది చేసేది. ఈ ఎర్రర్ కే ఆ ప్రాసెస్. గిట్ ఇన్ ఎర్రరా, గిట్ ఇన్ ఏమని వచ్చింది, గిట్ ఈస్ నాట్ రికగ్నైజ్డ్ అని వచ్చిందా? ఏం ఎర్రర్ వచ్చిందని చెప్పకుండా చెప్పలేను.
లైవ్ లింక్ కావాలంటే HTML యూజ్ చేసుకోవాలి.
జస్ట్ while installing select VS Code as editor. While installing it will ask you. So for some people why Git won't work after installing it also, it will not work. Git మాత్రమే గిట్ చేయాలి, GitHub డౌన్లోడ్ చేయలేవు. Git install